FaZe Rug is an American YouTuber who produces vlogs, challenges, gaming videos and pranks on YouTube. He was born on November 19, 1996 in San Diego, California, to immigrant Chaldean Assyrian parents from Tel Keppe, Iraq. His father owns two stores. Awadis graduated from Mesa Senior High School and attended San Diego Miramar College before dropping out during his freshman year to pursue his YouTube career full-time. He was the featured guest in Season 17, Episode 7 of MTV's Ridiculousness on June 24, 2020. FaZe Rug shot to prominence when people started viewing his videos of the pranks that he played on other people. He always wanted to have fun as a school kid and share his experiences with others. Awadis also created a video on April 30, 2021. The video contained him with professional wrestler and son of Rey Mysterio, Dominic Mysterio, titled Becoming a WWE Superstar for 24 Hours. Mysterio trained him to become a WWE wrestler. Awadis was invited to announce the Los Angeles Chargers' third-round pick at the 2022 NFL Draft. The pick was used on Baylor safety J.T. Woods. Awadis created his own YouTube channel on July 11, 2012, on which he started posting short clips of Call of Duty gameplay. He was invited to join the sports team FaZe Clan, which he now co-owns in January 2013. He uploaded his first prank video on December 7, 2014. His channel surpassed 1 million subscribers on October 9, 2015 and 10 million on September 8, 2018, thus earning him the Diamond Play Button Award. He has dated fellow YouTuber and Instagram model Molly Scam and has also dated Kaylin as of currently after the couple got back together in 2020. Brian moved out of his FaZe Rug house 2020 in April 2021 because he felt too far and not connected to his family. He is currently staying at his family house and is in progress to finding a new house closer to where his family live. His prank videos and vlogs get a larger number of viewers than his Call of Duty videos. His parents and his brother have featured in a number of his videos. FaZe Rug got addicted to video games as he could not become a member of the school basketball team. During his school days, he was quite naughty and mischievous and he always loved to play pranks on others. He was also interested in sharing his exploits with others and started recording them on videos. While FaZe Rug was in the first year of his college days, he noticed that his prank videos which he had uploaded to his YouTube channel had attracted a huge number of viewers.